Hello friends, my name is Austin Liable. I am a trainer at Pragmatic Works, and I want to tell you about a re-record I just did for a class on our on-demand learning platform. It is on the class Advanced Azure Data Factory. We like to do re-records every now and then on these different courses on our on-demand learning platform to make sure that we are showing the most up-to-date versions of the user interface and go through and update any changes that have been made to the course as well. So all the great content around DevOps, Azure Monitor, making dynamic pipeline runs is still on the course, but we've gone through and we updated it to kind of reflect the newest user interfaces of Data Factory. We've also gone through and added in some new content specifically around working with the Delta tables, using a data flow to manage that instead of having to do that in some sort of notebook from either Synapse Analytics or potentially Databricks. And we've also gone through and added in how to work with JSON files inside of copy data activities versus a data flow as well. A lot of these different classes are also going to be able to kind of translate directly to Synapse Analytics. So if you work with pipelines and data flows there, you can also go through and watch this course as well. And a lot of the amazing content will also translate directly, so it'll make sense for you there. If you want to subscribe to our on-demand learning platform, definitely check out the link in the description of the video, and you can go through and look at that there if any of these awesome kind of video modules sound really cool to you. We also have great content around, like I mentioned, Synapse Analytics already, as well as Power BI and different aspects of the Power Platform. So definitely go through, check that out. Hopefully I'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next video as well.